guys, and welcome to another episode of Lucas Random Channel. And I just want to wish you a happy new year. It's January 1st. So yeah, let's get around to the video. So I'm so excited. First we have a fake collage, Pokemon XY, and Mega Gardevoir. So I'll start with... Okay, Gardevoir. No, I'm sorry with this. Okay. How I get 1 EX? Another look. The coding. 3 from the back. Okay. Energy pouch. Lucha. Power memory. Wait, no, sorry. Wobbly. Oh, La Vita. Coughing. Savannah. Eaglet. Kabutops and okay. Rotom. Not bad. Rotom. Okay. Final pack. Let's go. Let's go. The coding. 3 from the back. Pokemon Ranger. Rapidash. AB Fun, C-Dot, Clink, Marie, Bergamite, Fungus, Mega Break, and Gargantua. Oh yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and peace.